Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in 2025. Whether you are a student, creator, developer, or just curious, this video will show you everything you need to know to get the most out of ChatGPT. Now smarter, more integrated, and more useful than ever. Let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, powered by the ChatGPT 4 Turbo model. It can write content, solve problems, generate code, tutor you, brainstorm ideas, and so much more. In 2025, it's not just a chatbot, it's your all-in-one assistant. You can use ChatGPT in several ways. Web app at chat.openai.com. Click try ChatGPT. Mobile apps for Android or iOS integrated in Microsoft tools like Word and Excel, called Copilot via API if you are a developer. If you are using the free version, you will get GPT 3.5, but with ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month, you unlock GPT 4 Turbo, which is faster and better. In 2025, ChatGPT includes some incredible tools like Code Interpreter, Python tool for calculations, data analysis, file conversions, image input, upload an image, and ask ChatGPT to explain, analyze, to edit it, memory. It remembers your preferences. You can manage or disable this anytime. Voice mode, talk to ChatGPT directly. Currently in mobile app, custom GPTs create your own versions of ChatGPT with specific behaviors and knowledge. Browse with Bing. Get up-to-date information from the web available for available for Plus users. Let's go over how to get great results from ChatGPT. Be clear and specific. Instead of tell me about history, try give me a three-paragraph summary of World War II. Give me a three-paragraph summary of World War II for school presentation. Give context. Give context. Let ChatGPT know who you are and what you need. Like I am a college student studying electrical engineering. Can you help me understand Ohm's law in simple terms? I am a college student studying electrical engineering. Can you help me understand Ohm law in simple terms. Use follow-up questions. ChatGPT remembers the thread, so keep refining. Explain it with an example. Can you turn that into a diagram? Can you turn that into a diagram? Wait for a few minutes and ChatGPT will present a amazing image for you. You can say, make it a checklist, turn this into a YouTube script, write this as a tweet. Here are few examples of what you can do with ChatGPT. Students, summarize ChatGPT 4 or to kill a mockingbird. Content creators, give me 5 TikTok script ideas about AI in education. Developers, write a Python script to rename multiple files in a folder. Professionals, creative, polite follow-up email after a job interview. Travelers, plan a 3-day trip to Tokyo with a budget of $500. Designers, give me feedback on this image I'm uploading. Here are some quick tips. Use memory when helpful. Tell ChatGPT about your preferences once and it will remember them. Try different tones. Write this in a friendly, professional, and funny tone. Experiment. Don't be afraid to play with it. You will discover surprising capabilities. Stay safe. Don't share personal information. Always fact check critical information from multiple sources. Use custom GPTs. Browse the Explore GPTs tab and find tailored bots for recipe. Workouts are productivity. ChatGPT in 2025 is more than a chatbot. It's a productivity powerhouse, a creative partner, and a personal tutor. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Just uh, normally, uh, normally chat with your GPT assistant. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.